the Metro Manila Subway Phase 1 out to general consultancy in the amount of 11.7 billion, and it's reported that consultancy contracts here were awarded to a Japanese consortium. We acknowledge the technical expertise and experience of foreign consultants. In general, perhaps in certain areas, they possess capabilities that we still need to learn. That being said, our administration should invest in scholarship and training programs and send our talented pool of local engineers and professionals so that they can apply their knowledge in the Philippines. The practice of engaging foreign consultants has been observed by our government for many years.